Alright, so this key is on and the AC is off right here, as you can see. Now, this is the guy. His name is Shannon. He's out of Batesville, Texas, and he's a fucking cock. This is the fan he put in here. And this is the fan that's supposed to go in. As you can tell, it's got a rheostat on it. Dimmer switch, whatever you want to call it. Here's the wiring harness. No altercations other than one this shitbag put on here, where he hacked the wiring up and started putting wires in all over the place. Plug it in. And it sits there like it's supposed to, doing nothing. Now we'll take the switch, turn it on, and looky there, it starts moving. Another switch, and it goes faster, faster, faster. Alright, so yeah, you got to pay $150 for these up at the dealership, but you try and wire it in, what you're going to find is that your number 3 and 4 are hot and negative. Number 6 actually controls the fan speed. So those of you who are having problems with your fan switch on your 2006 Columbia, go ahead and drop your multimeter in here. You'll get 12 volts or 13 something volts, whatever it is, if it's running. That's your negative, and then here is the fan speed control switch. It goes to this module here. Don't try to wire something up like this fucking shade tree piece of shit did. Thanks.